Recommendations are a great way to help your customers find more products that they'd like. They can be used in all kinds of positions on your website, such as lister pages, content pages, and product detail pages. The Featured Products Recommendations module lets you highlight certain products in galleries throughout your web shop. You can use recommendation rules such as bestsellers, new arrivals, and trending. Let's go ahead and set up some featured products. Click the Recommendations tab and then Featured Products. As you can see, there are two types of featured products, automatic and manual. Click the Automatic Featured Products button. This type automatically selects products from a predetermined selection, such as a category or property. Name the rule and select the category from which it should draw products. The second section lets you set whether the category that you choose should be refined any further. You can choose if there should be a product from every subcategory, whether a property should be used to select products, or if the category in itself is a fine selection. The sorting option drop-down lets you choose a sorting option for within the recommendation rule. And the last option lets you choose the number of recommended products for the rule. We'll now move on to the Selection tab. Here you can look up properties and set whether products with certain values are to be included or excluded from the recommendation rule. You can also use the Parameters tab for the selection. For example, by adding the parameters to the request to only retrieve products from a certain category depending on the page from which the call is done. This prevents you from having to create hundreds of recommendation rules. Read the support article about featured products to read how this works. When you're all done, you can save the rule. Now click the Manual Featured Products button. Name the Recommendations rule and select the category from which it should draw products. Now save it and head to the Selection tab. Here, you'll see a familiar interface. It's the Visual Merchandising Grid. Use the drop-down to select the products that you want to place in the recommendation rule. The third tab shows you the implementation info. Use the link displayed here to call the recommendation rule. The Demo Shop shows you which recommendations will appear in your shop by clicking the blue Featured Products button at the top.